Hey everybody! I wanted to talk to you about a helpful tip for this week's module. This week's module has a lot more text, so there's a lot more reading you'll have to do to really process and gather all the material. Um, if you're anything like me, I tend to learn way better when I'm hearing the words and doing something else with my hands. I'm very like split brain that way. So I like to use this immersive reader button up here, and it takes you to a new page that has all of the text, all the writing for the module. And you can click at any point and then press play, and it
Utmost
will
importance since, in the medieval
and it will start reading that for you. Um, for some of you, maybe you love reading way more than you love listening, but if any of you are like that, I hope that that's a helpful little hack for you.